recording already. We'll just crop that one. Okay. Hi guys, today we will be unboxing iPhone 12 Pro. Is that right? wait, let's go back and 100%. It's okay, we can cut it later. Hi guys, today I will be unboxing iPhone 12 Pro and I'm going to open it now. And I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. Look. Wow, it's super smooth. I'm gonna open it now. Oh look, it's red. Oh my god, look, it's red. There's the red apple sign. Whoa, look at it, so shiny.
Thank you. Wow, hello.
Hi. Do you like the red color?
Yes.
Here, look. Look, there's a white screen. What is that? Like there's an app one and then
Hello there.
minus. Hi. I think that's like for this one and then
this
it's this
cool.
one.
Wow, there's the knife.
And now I'm going to open it. Can I?
Can I? Yeah, what is this?
It's so satisfying. The sound was like that. Look, I don't want to touch the screen because it's so clean. Oh my god, it's so cool. I'm gonna put it here.
That.
Oh, I just dropped it. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
And this is for the one for opening, I remember.
Open this, open this.
Yes. And also this one, I think
Thank
it's
you.
the instruction. It's the product red. There's a sticker. Sticker.
Thank you.
I'm gonna put it in so I can keep the sticker. Okay, this is the charge over here.
Oh, don't nice.
I'm gonna put it back
What?
and put this oil.
The
Let
butter
me
is happy.
Put it back.
Open this. Oh.
And now I'm going to. Oh, it's just sticky in here, kind of sticky. I'm gonna put it right over here.
Yep.
I'm just gonna close this one. Or should I just open it? I'll just open it.
That is cool.
So you guys can see it.
Now you want
And
this
also
one.
the phone. And I'll just put
Put
it
the
in.
glass.
Oh yeah, look, it's the big one.
Yes. What is this starter?
Oh, that's the charge, Hayden. For charging the phone, the red one.
Wow.
Oh, look, it's so heavy actually, and it's so cool. First, we open it like in a minute. Give me a minute, Hayden, and
Pass. Hello?
help me. Oh, there you go, there you go. I did it. Oh my god. Let's try drop it. Oh, that was easier than the small one. Oh, look, it's still like square. I like how it's so square. Look, this one's gold too.
Oh,
I like how this one is the gold.
I want to open this.
Like this.
Okay.
Try.
Open. Nice.
Oh, it looks so cool.
This
Look
is
at
the
the back.
glass.
It's gold.
Yes.
And look at this one. It's so shiny. It's like gold. See, it's shiny.
That is the glass.
Yes. This is where you charge
Go
it.
open the
And
atas.
look at the back. It's so cool.
Not.
Ethan, do you want to open this?
Yes. Thank you.
Ooh. I like the gold over here.
Just like the color.
I'm gonna put it like this so you guys can see it again. Here you go.
Thank you. Ito.
And I like this gold again. Ooh.
There's the handphone back.
Yeah,
Thank
put
you.
it next to this one.
Okay.
Over here. Yeah, like that.
Go into
And-
more.
This is the iPhone 12, guys. And this one is the iPhone 10. And this one is the iPhone 11 Pro Max. And this one is the iPhone 11 Pro. Look. Let's go see it from the biggest to the smallest. I think this is the same one. Now let's put it like this. And then this one is like this. And then, no, this one's smaller. And like this, and like this. There you go.
Wow, this don't
And this is different color. This one's kind of green and this one's black. And I think this one's gold, white, light yellow or what. And then this one's kind of black.
This is that.
Yes. Like this one, the edge is black and this one is green. Oh, it's actually nice, the green one.
Look at this
And
red.
this one's the black one. And this one's the gold one and this one's the red one. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and press the like button. Bye. Say bye, Eden.
Bye. Oh, this so nice there.
Yes, it's the red one. Like this. Wait, there's the protest red over here. And it's cool. Bye.
Bye. Bye.